Egg white skin tightening and firming face packs. I need 1 egg. Egg white face mask helps clear dirt, grime, and blackheads from your skin. 4-spoon egg white. 1 spoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera replenishes the skin's lost moisture while working on collagen production. Also reduces pores and increases the elasticity of the skin. Castor oil. Castor oil adds a soft glow to the skin. Mix well. This face mask is perfect for aging skin. It prevents the signs of aging and reverses the wrinkles by increasing collagen production. Mix well. As a result, the skin appears finer, smoother, and plumper. Egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. Clean the skin well before using the pack. Apply it on the face and neck area. Wash after 20 minutes. Wet the towel in hot water and wipe the skin. Use this twice a week for best results.